I got a secret hack I've been using that perfects the prompts that you feed to Lovable so it builds exactly what you want it to build. By the way, you're going to want to bookmark this and make sure to go ahead and give me a follow if you want to learn to build with AI. It's called a meta prompt, and I'm not talking about like Facebook and Instagram meta. I'm talking about like meta. And yes, I'm going to provide the prompt so you can pause the video, take a screenshot. It's all coming in just a second. Just stick around. So the whole idea is instead of starting in Lovable with your prompt, I want you to start in ChatGPT. And here is the actual meta prompt right here. And go ahead, pause the video, copy it. You have my permission to start using this. So the idea is anywhere where you see the bold yellow, that's where you're inputting information. So you start off by saying, I'm building, and then insert your product idea using Lovable. And that's important because you're setting context with ChatGPT that this prompt is going to be fed into Lovable and it should be tailored for that. It then says, I want to generate the most effective, complete, and specific prompt I can feed directly into Lovable to kick off the app build. And then I want you to provide your idea in one sentence. This is great frame of reference and context for Lovable. All right, then I want you to list out your features that you have so far. So this is where you'll just list out any of the feature ideas that you have. It doesn't have to be fully comprehensive. That's the whole purpose of this meta prompt. And then we're going to have ChatGPT do some work to please include the below in the Lovable prompt to define the product requirements. And then it's going to define the app's core functionality, what it does, key user actions and interactions, any integration needs, any UI preferences, ideal output format, authentication or user management needs. And then you just have it give you some bonus features you haven't thought about that will make the product awesome. And I find that ChatGPT does a great job of thinking of other things you haven't even thought about based on what you're trying to build. So it's a great add here, especially post MVP. And then this part's important. We say make it concise but detailed, optimized for Lovable to understand and what to build from with no ambiguity. And the last important part, we're going to say, please ask me any clarifying questions you may have, and please surface any unknown unknowns I may not be considering before you create the prompt. So you're putting it on ChatGPT to ask any clarifying questions it has to perfect the prompt further. Such a good little context hack. All right, to show it off, we're going to have it build a simple AI-powered voice dictation app. We're saying this app allows you to dictate ideas and then have AI summarize them. We got a few feature ideas. So we're going to feed this into ChatGPT. All right, and this is why I like doing this approach. It thought for 11 seconds. Look at all these great clarifying questions it had that I wasn't even considering. That's the beauty. It helps refine your idea before you go to Lovable. Such an important step. So we got 10 clarifying questions I can answer. And then it gives me these unknown unknowns like privacy and encryption, latency versus cost trade-offs, edge cases, accessibility, like all of these things I hadn't actually thought about. All right, so let's answer the questions and have it go. And then it gives me this beautiful prompt I can give to Lovable. We get the core product narrative. We got all the key user actions and flows, integrations, UI, UX guidelines, ideal output formats, auth and management. And then it gives me these bonus delight features that I can then tell it to add into the prompt, the ones that I like, technical and operational requirements. It's beautiful. So I can take this, copy it, go to Lovable, pop it in here, and then hit go. And this created the perfect baseline. So now we have this voice scribe app that I can actually log into. And now we can record my voice, and then we can have AI transcribe it and turn it into a summary. And we have a working app, and it's beautiful. Start with these meta prompts. They work. It's a great way to start building with Lovable. And for fun, let's summarize it with AI. There's our AI powered summary. Boom. We have the working app. Start using these meta prompts. Bookmark this. Give me a follow if you want to build with AI, and have fun.